Ano pong reaksyon nyo na gawin ding accountable at may responsibilidad yung mga magulang po ng mga bully?
Yes, una, again, naintindihan ko ang frustration ng ating mga magulang at ating mga mambabatas nung itong panukalang batas ay na-discuss. Pero katulad, pag binasa niyo rin po yung panukalang batas, it cites the Civil Code of the Philippines, Article 2180 together with 2176. So batas na siya eh. Under the Civil Code, which was written in the 1950s, maliwanag
50s
naman,
pa.
yes po, maliwanag naman po doon na merong civil liability ang mga magulang para sa mga batang still under their jurisdiction. Pagka merong nasaktan, whether kung may fault or negligence, meron talagang civil liability. Ang depensa lang nila under Article 2180 ay if they exercise good father of the family. So ito po talaga yung, nung napag-aralan po ito sa EDCOM 2, ang importante dito, really, Ricky, Patby, is implementation.
Implementation
Kasi
po
marami
problema.
marami talagang polisiya, whether by Congress or by DepEd itself. Una, ang DepEd, sinasabi na natin matagal na, dapat matanggal na sila dun sa pag-iisip nila na ang core function nila ay simply academics. Ang core function ng DepEd is not ang schools po natin. Ang core function nila is not simply academics, pero providing for a safe environment. Hindi po katulad, minsan kasi yung attitude na basta ayusin natin ang curriculum, turuan natin, hindi po yun lang eh. Talagang safe environment is a core function of schools eh. At pag yun po, na-invite talaga, may change of attitude towards that, mamamonitor nila properly at yung policies which are written in various laws, implementing rules, baka naman pwede na nating maumpisang implement ng mabuti.
I'm just curious kung nabanggit mo nga 50s pa yung ating batas na nagtatalakay dito.
Ay, Civil Code.
Yung Civil Code po natin, di ba? And also, the Anti-Bullying Act was over a decade ago when it was first created. Tama po ba, no?
That is correct,
Yes,
Ricky.
pero so is it time to revisit po yung mga batas na meron po tayo given the changes in the environment now and the landscape of the students in the Philippines?
Sa totoo, Ricky, always, it's good na review natin ang mga lahat ng batas natin.
Opo.
The 2013 Anti-Bullying Law, in fact, was examined by EDCOM 2.
Okay.
And based on the discussions, based on our deliberations sa EDCOM 2, ang nakita po namin, hindi naman yung batas.
Walang problema sa batas.
Yung batas itself, hindi naman sa walang problema, pero again, it's paper eh. Ano pang ilalagay mo doon? Ang key, ang susi doon, really is yung IRR na lang. Binago po natin yung, we recommended to the Department of Education na baguhin yung IRR. And they did that last year. March 2025, binago po nila yan. Ang ginawa nila, una, in-expand nila. Cyberbullying, in-include nila specifically. Pangalawa, sa ilalim kasi po nung dating IRR, nag-create sila ng tinatawag na Child Protection Committee. Yung Child Protection Committee, marami pong membro yon. Yung principal, parents, students, barangay. But again, ang ginawa ng DepEd ngayon, huwag na committee kasi ang hirap na ipagsama-sama silang lahat. Kasi busy rin sila.
Of course.
So, ginawa na lang ngayon, may discipline officer na siya na yung talagang titingin, aside from a guidance counselor. But again, it goes back Patby, Ricky, to the fact na DepEd dapat may change of attitude. Ang well-being ng isang learner, yung safety niya sa school, is a core function of DepEd. Of the schools, tama po. Dapat siguraduhin nila, ang bata, papasok siya, alam niyang safe siya doon, walang pagbubuli. And in order to implement that core function, kailangan proactive ang school.
Correct.
Kasi kahit gano'ng karami tayong polisiyang gawin, pero hindi naman naiiwan lang yan sa papel, baliwala rin. Talagang, sa akin po ngayon, I understand the frustration of ng ating mga mababatas, parents, but it is also time for DepEd to really be proactive.
Step up po sila.
Step up talaga eh. Kasi nandiyan na yung batas, nandiyan yung implementing rules. It's a matter of monitoring aggressively what is happening, taking a look at, kasi that's a core function of schools eh.